See, now this is one of the problems though, isn't it, with Wish? It might take us 3 months to get the parts.
Well, yeah.
They've come! Right, let's just get to it, see what they're like. So we have no idea what these are going to be like.
Ooh. Does that give you a clue?
It's a throttle.
Yay!
Look at that. There's some bits.
Ooh, nice cable.
Well, actually, that's like really nice aluminium. No plastic on it at all. You've got
a little visual screen there.
A little visual screen. So you've got a screen here so you can see what the throttle cable's doing. You've got some adjustment, I'm guessing that's for there. I mean, that's, how sturdy is that going to be? Because that's,
well,
there's a bit of rock in there.
Yeah, but once that's clamped in, once that's clamped on.
Is that the right?
And the tube is in there.
Is that 22 mil?
Yeah.
Looks a bit small to me.
You know, that's done up fully. That clamp's done up. If you know, it's not circular.
We have little bits and bobs.
Not circular.
To go with it. Okay, that's good.
Next.
What's next? Next toy, please.
Ooh.
Over here, Graham. Come on.
Sorry.
Think of the filming.
Sorry, I'm not very good.
Just cut directly towards my face. This is like a really, really, really weird Christmas.
Yeah, nobody put any wrapping paper on it.
It's like, this is what this is. It's Christmas when you ask for Lego and your parents get you Mega Blocks.
Yeah,
it's that kind of thing, yeah. Ooh.
Ooh.
Wow. I mean, they're
cute.
They're dirty.
We bought it from China. That's the travel.
I know, but still. Anyway, I mean, they were like stupidly cheap.
The finish on them isn't too bad. How they'll last the summer or winter, I don't know, but...
And they're metal, aren't they? Full metal.
Yeah,
so,
Sally.
Yeah. Okay. It's going to go for a rip on this one.
Ooh.
That would be embarrassing if I couldn't actually get it open. That's very plasticky. But I'm just saying that as for the sake of...
It is plastic, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's very... Oh, you got...
Buttons on the back.
You've got that screw just fell out of it. I don't know what that's for.
Most will be there.
No, you've got 4 screws in there. I mean, it doesn't have anything that separates the wires from the bar or anything like that.
But that was about £3, wasn't it?
Yeah, it'll probably do the job. Up, down. What's that for gears?
Road book.
Don't know. You know what this reminds me of actually is like an accessory for a steering wheel on like a sim, computer sim. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I mean, it's probably out the bits we've unpacked so far, the bit that kind of looks the cheapest.
Yeah, it certainly does look cheap, but we'll see how it goes.
If it works, it works.
If it works.
Right, next.
Yeah. Light.
Is that the rear light?
This. Oh, this looks rather pretty. Good.
Ooh, these are pretty nice.
Finish on that's not bad.
So we're now looking at 2 different things at once. Okay, so let's look at these first. So these are the clip-ons. We're going to have to slide these down over, aren't we?
Yeah, we'll have to drop the fork leg down in the
and then yeah, because you can't. They don't just clamp on, really, do they? But I mean, they feel quite good.
They're adjustable, so you can unclamp them and slide them up and down to make so you get more or less.
But I mean, they're again aluminium. We've got a little plastic bit on the end. They feel pretty nice. I wouldn't be upset if these arrived from a standard shop.
To be honest, would you know, would you?
No. And then these are the rear lights. So it's smoked, so obviously it will come out red. Is that got indicators on as well?
That one's the same as mine, except you've got the smoke one and I got just the red one.
Okay, so is it indicate around the edge there?
The indicators are in the middle.
Okay, and then around the edge
edge is your side light and your brake light, and plus underneath is your number plate light.
There, and that shines down the number plate. Awesome, nice and easy. Right, what's the last one? This.
Last one. Oh, this should be interesting.
So this is coming in lots of little parts by the looks of it.
Oh, bits.
Bits. I thought it come with
the clips and the screws.
Did it not come with some braided hose?
No.
Oh, okay. Don't know what that's for. Oh, there's a lot of damage on there. Look at that. I don't know, you see on the camera there, there's a lot of...
A little bit of markings
it's
there,
got
isn't there?
very scratched. That's not that... Yeah.
It's not bad.
No.
I've seen worse.
No, but it's a shame about the scratches on it. I mean, because if you look at this one doesn't have any scratches on, and that's actually just looks absolutely fine.
Yeah, it's a shame about that. But the lever adjustment works.
Okay, so overall...
Well, apart from that little bit of damage on there, I think these levers look quite good.
Okay, so let's summarise what we have here. We have our brake system. Overall, I mean, the plastic bits feel a bit cheapy, to be fair. They're not the best quality, but they're actually pretty good for the money. Then we have the clip-ons, which personally I think look absolutely fine. I mean, if they cost me 40 quid, I probably would have said, yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm chuffed with that. Rear light, at the moment everything's fine. With anything slightly electrical, I always slightly kind of just wait until we've tried it and tested it and see whether the wiring's all good. But from a build standpoint, it looks absolutely fine as well. These ones, personally, I'm a little bit disappointed because I just think, you know, there's the dirt on there is a proper needs to be polished off. And I don't know how long they'll last, but hey. And this,
Honestly, disappointing, isn't it?
I don't hate the layout, but it is just plasticky. You know, we'll see how it works. And then, yeah, the throttle body, to me, that's again a really nice piece of kit. All around, I don't think we've done too badly.
I think we've done really well because, you know, I say the quality, the looking quality of it is good in general. It's just now the proof of the pudding's in the eating.
Yeah. Right, so what's next? Next is...
Doing it.
Join us next time when we'll start putting all this stuff on the actual bike.